In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a restore point on your Windows computer. This is a simple process that can really be a lifesaver if you ever run into technical issues or want to return your system to a previous state. Essentially, creating a restore point allows you to save a snapshot of your computer's current settings and files, which you can return to in the future if needed. So let's dive right into it. First, locate your Windows search bar. It's usually found at the bottom left of your desktop next to the Start button. Click on the search box and type in Create a Restore Point. This will bring up a system protection window where you'll be able to manage your restore points. Now, once you've opened up the system window, you'll see a tab labeled Protection Settings. Here, you'll find a list of all your disk drives. For our example today, we'll focus on the local disk C, which is usually where your operating system is installed and logically makes the most sense to choose. Next, you'll see an option that says Create within the system window. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you actually start the process of creating your restore point. A new window will pop up, prompting you to type in a description for your restore point. This is an important step because, although a description is not mandatory, it does help you identify your restore points later on. I recommend using a brief yet descriptive name like pre-update backup or system stable state. This way, if you need to revert to this point in the future, you'll know exactly why you created it and what system state it pertains to. After you've entered a suitable description, simply click on the Create button. Your computer will then take a few moments to process and create the restore point. Patience is key here because the time it takes can vary depending on the size and speed of your drive, but it shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. You might notice your computer working a little harder as it records the state of your system, but that's completely normal. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message that your restore point was successfully created. And just like that, you're all done. You've now got a safety net to fall back on should anything go wrong with your system. By creating a restore point, you've essentially equipped yourself with a tool that can be extremely useful in troubleshooting and maintaining the health of your computer. It's a simple yet powerful step in ensuring that you can undo changes and return to a perfectly working system setup. Remember to create new restore points periodically, especially before making major changes to your system. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in managing your system's health.